Hello, this is Eric at Prince George Ford, and we're taking a look at the 2021 Ford F-150 in an XLT trim and powered by a 2.7 liter V6 EcoBoost engine, providing you with excellent power for towing, hauling, and 4x4ing with some great fuel efficiency, and coming with running boards down below so you can have an easier time getting in. But let's take a look inside. First, looking into the back seat, we have spacious seating for three that can be lifted up and out of the way to accommodate any other cargo. And then in the middle, you have two cup holders with a 12 volt USB and USB-C and 120 volt power outlet. This truck does have a remote start, so no need to go outside on those cold mornings to warm up your vehicle. And looking in, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks, as well as a fully power adjustable driver's seat. Now, sitting in the truck with it running and looking at the steering wheel, on the right hand side you have your controls for your center info screen here, where you can look at your fuel economy, trip 1 and 2, eco coach, auto start stop status, and your now playing. Then you have your truck info, where you can look at your tire pressures, off-road status, power distribution, engine information, and seat belts. Then you have your towing information, navigation controls, phone controls, and audio controls, as well as your settings for your screen and some other features around your vehicle, and your My View, which is a sort of favorite screen for any of those subcategories for ease of access. And then moving on to the left, you have your cruise controls with lane keeping system and your hands-free phone and radio controls along the bottom. Then moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, and Bluetooth capable, so you have some options there. You have your Bluetooth phone controls, navigation screens, you're hopefully not going to get lost, favorite screen for all of your most used apps and settings, whatever apps you may have installed, settings for your screen and some other features around your vehicle, and your general truck features such as driver assistance, zone lighting, towing, and owner's manual. Then shifting into reverse, you do have a backup camera so you can see where you're going, with dynamic hitch view so you can zoom in and have an easier time hooking up a trailer or something of the sort. Above that, you have your auto start stop shut off, your camera view, again, your hazards, and your traction control shut off. And then moving down, you have your media controls and then your climate controls with dual zone front climate and heated front seats so you can stay cozy in the colder months. To the left, you have your Pro Trailer Backup Controller, Trailer Brake Controller, and 4x4 controls with a locking rear differential, as well as your drive mode selector for tow haul, eco, and sport mode. And then on the opposite end, you have slippery, deep snow, sand, and mud ruts, so you can customize your driving experience a bit there. Moving on to the right, you have a 12 volt and 120 volt power outlet, as well as having this compartment up here for more storage. Then moving down, you have this cubby with a USB and USB-C, so you can plug something in from there. Then you have your main shifter with select shift on the side, so you can manually shift through your gears, and can also be collapsed out of the way, so you have more open space here. Then you have two cup holders and your lockable center compartment / armrest with a removable tray, ton of room inside, including a USB and USB-C, so you can plug something in from there too. And then last but not least, you do have a power sliding rear window, but that should cover our look at the inside. So now if you're interested, feel free to give us a call at 250-563-8111 or just come on down to the dealership and have a look for yourself, and have a nice day.